Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you can see, I have 3 packages here. So this one is wrapped on this Game On limited edition ribbon. So this one is more of like a cream color and then engraved in black with Louis Vuitton right there. So these two are wrapped in the same ribbon, and then here we have the holiday ribbon for 2020. So this one is in blue, and then it's engraved here, the Louis Vuitton in white. So this ribbon is thick. So let me just grab the old classic Louis Vuitton ribbon that they normally put on their package. So this is the comparison. So this is for the holiday, and this is just the normal ribbon that they usually put on the boxes. So quite a difference. So anyway, so I have all the 3 packages here. So let me open this one first. So the first one, okay, oh wow. So it has, inside has this tag, and also with a ribbon and a card. So let me just leave that one inside. So I have, they actually wrap this on the holiday wrapper. Wow, surprisingly, with this one. So this is the holiday wrapper. For the Game On collection, I keep asking for my SA for the wrapper for the Game On, but she told me they actually never got those print though. I really like that. I really want it. Actually looks like this, the wrapper, but she told me they weren't able to get it. But I'm surprised that they wrapped this one with the holiday wrapper. Look at that. It is really nice. Very nice. So those are just the colorful flowers from Louis Vuitton. So now I'm going to show you what I got. So I actually got a Game On Bandeau. So you probably guys have seen this one already in my previous unboxings. So I did purchase another one to match it with, because I will be using this for the top handle of my purse. So I needed another pair. So I picked this one up. I still can't get over how pretty the print is. Really nice. So this is the product information. The Bandeau Game On, so you can see there, the Bandeau Game On Noir Blanc. So MP2904. So if you're interested, you might want to call your sales associate or call the 1-800 number. Maybe they could find this for you. So as you can see here, it's like the Louis Vuitton and the flower monogram all over it. So this one is reversible. On this side is the black monogram, and on the other side is the white multicolor. Really nice. It's so beautiful. I still can't get over how pretty this print is. So this one is made up of 100% silk. So yeah, it is silk, really smooth, really soft, really nice. So this one actually measures 47.2 inches, the length, really long, very long, by 3.1 inches. Very nice. So this is the thicker version of the Bandeau. I know I have the skinny ones. Yeah, this is such a really lovely piece. So if you're looking for a gift or a present, this actually would be perfect. If you know, for your friends or for somebody that is a Louis Vuitton lover, I'm pretty sure they will love this as much as I love it. Really nice. So, as you can see, guys, that, you know, eventually soon it's gonna be Christmas. So we are gonna be, probably, you guys probably already done doing your Christmas shopping. But with Louis Vuitton, my sales associate were telling me that they are gonna restock a lot of those items that are limited edition items, and also with those items that are hard to get. So when I went to the store yesterday, I saw a lot of toiletry pouches. All sizes were there. I saw a mini pochette. I also see a mini pochette for the holiday animation collection. I mean, the holiday animation collections, they have a lot of those. I saw a wallet. I saw a lot of things. And also, with this Bandeau, I got this Bandeau, and I ordered this one probably a couple of weeks ago, and I just went there to pick it up. So it took them some time to fulfill the order. But if you were in a hunt for a limited edition, the items that's hard to get, the key clay, they have it, the card holders, they have it. They have so many things out there, and the pouch. But I'm not really, the one thing that I'm not really sure, that I didn't really ask, is the multi-pochette accessoire. I'm not sure, but she told me that they are going to be restocking a lot of those items that is hard to find, hard to get a hands off. So if you have time, you might want to reach out with your sales associate. You might want to call 1-800 numbers, who knows, so that, you know. Also, yeah, I actually see it yesterday. I saw a lot of things. I didn't even bother to take photos because I just really want to walk in and then walk out from the store, because there's so many people. So yeah, I saw, while I was waiting for my order to get prepared, I look around for a little bit. Yeah, I actually see a lot of things, especially with the holiday animation collections. And I saw a lot of stuff that people are actually doing reviews on YouTube. They're saying that it is hard to get, especially the key clay and also the mini pochette. And also the toiletries, they have all sizes. But then again, that is from a flagship store nearby. But I don't know if they're available in you know, it varies. Of course, it varies from every state. So yeah, you might want to reach out, and because of the holiday, there's gonna be a large demand for that. So yeah, this might be your chance to get those hard to get items that you have been eyeing for such a long time. Because I know that when you just stalk the website, more likely it may take forever for you to find it, or if it may be get available, and as soon as you put it in your cart, it's gone. So I would suggest to reach out with your sales associate, or visit the nearest Louis Vuitton store and ask them, or you basically call them just to make it sure, so you wouldn't waste your time just walking in there and to find out it's not available. But anyway, I'm just letting everybody know that if you're looking for those hard to get pieces, Louis Vuitton are restocking a lot of those hard to get items. Okay, so this is the first Bandeau. So second, I have been thinking of what would be the perfect gift for my friend. It's going to be my Christmas gifts for them. So I'm gonna open this one because I'm gonna have to customize my present for them. Most of the time I really love gift wrapping, and I also like to customize my gifts. Like, I want to put personal touch to it. So I might probably add a lot more stuff. But anyway, so let me open. Wow, they included this beautiful tissue wrapper in here. Very nice. And it is another Bandeau. So I think this is a perfect gift for my my friends who also likes Louis Vuitton because of the print, and also the price is pretty reasonable though. The price is pretty reasonable for this bandeau, and also the print, this is also reversible, so I think they will love it. So moving on to the next box. So this one is, it's easy to open because they only put the ribbon in the corner. So let me, so the third one is another bandeau. So yeah, so it's another bandeau, guys. So this is I'm surprised that they were able to fulfill my order. I keep asking her if they're not going to be able to fulfill my order at the end of this week, I'm probably going to look for something else. But with this one, I put out a thought of this, giving it as a gift to my friends. I was thinking of giving them a key the key clay, the key clay, and also a key holder. But I think this one, I don't know, but I just really love this. I mean, they could use it as a scarf, they put it in their purse. There's a lot of uses on this though. So I think this is such a practical gift, I think. And also the print is so nice, it's so colorful, and we all know that this is a limited edition, but like I mentioned earlier, that if you wanted to avail on any of these for the Game On collection, you might reach out to your sales associate because they might restock that. They might be able to source it out for you. And also, I'm not sure with other Game On though. I'm not sure with the Kirigami. I'm not sure with the with some wallets, and also with the Philly C though. I'm not really sure if they have it in store. I didn't really ask her because I already have those. There's no point. But I was looking at the store. There is a little bit from the Game On that I saw from Small Leather Goods. I saw the hang tag for the Game On, which is game cards, a deck of cards, and also a lot of clothings from the Game On. So yeah, I mean, I'm surprised because usually like once they sold out for limited edition, it's gone. But yeah, I'm also surprised that I did not expect that they were able to fulfill this order because it's very limited. I did not get this one online. I got this one at the store. I ordered it. I put a deposit in this, and I waited for a couple of weeks. So that's how I got all of these. I did not get this when like a walk-in. You just walk into the store and they have it available. No, it's not. I didn't do that because, you know, if this, I know exactly what I wanted. So yeah, so I'm surprised that I was able to get a hands on these. And also, yeah, like I mentioned, you check the store. If anything, it could be anything that's hard to get pieces, so they have a lot of those. And on my flagship store, but I'm not sure in your store though, it actually varies though. But here they have several, and I rarely I see those toiletry and mini pochette on display, but I'm surprised yesterday. Also with the holiday animations, like I have never seen like the SLGs were still on the shelves though, but yesterday I see quite a few on display, and I asked her if you have this key clay and all kinds of stuff, and she said yes, we do have those. I asked several of those because I was kind of leaning on looking on to the key clay or the key holder or the card case, which is which. But I decided to get all these for my friends. I hope they will like it, and I also add a little some of those stuff, personal stuff, touch on these. And yeah, so these two belongs to mine, so I'm going to put this on my purse. So for the matching for the handle, so this one I have already decorated it on this clear pouch that I have, and I think the clear pouch is so cute. Let me just put this one on the side so I could give you a closer look on this. So this is just how I did it. You know, I really like the pop of colors. It actually brings out the beauty of it. So this is just, yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice. It actually accentuates the clear bag though. I love it so much. So I could just use this one as a scarf, or I could use this one in my purse like a decoration, like I mentioned. So anyway, so like I mentioned, they restocked it, so you might probably act now before it's too late, before they sold out, before they're gone. So also guys, with the packaging, which is, I was looking forward for the packaging, and I don't know, my sales associate told me something about, there's something about the packaging for the holiday. But since this one is for Game On collection, so I was able to get this. But she told me they didn't have the packaging for the holiday yet. So I was a little bit disappointed in that, because it would be so nice to give this as a gift with all the packaging, the fancy holiday packaging for Louis Vuitton. But of course, I would also include this one because I think this one is really cute though. They might like it. So anyways, that is for today's unboxing, guys. I hope you like it. And advance happy holidays to each one of us. And I will see you later. Bye.